This is to install the clear token on a Kenmore washer with a coin slide mechanism. And this is a model number right there. And this is the hardware the clear token sends you, the Bluetooth device, and the hardware, the wire harness. First thing is to unplug your power. Then we gotta open the service panel. And here you see the washer. So we're gonna connect the black and blue to the power, which will be the black one. Once you locate which one gives you the 120 volts, and the white to the white. And then for the yellow one, we're gonna connect it to the, and our yellow wire is going to go into one of the black wires from the motor. Now, in order to determine to which one of the two, first you need to turn on the wash and see which of these two wires gives you 120 volts. We determined that this is the one that gives us 120, so this is where our yellow wire is gonna get connected.